man, but I'm just, yeah, he does. This is Blake. He has went and put together one of Young Dolph's beautiful vehicles. Yes, the late Young Dolph. You want me to prove it? I will. Peep game. The proof is in the pudding. All into the pudding. Put your motherfucking toe in the pudding. Man, dude. Blake did his thing, y'all. Blake did his thing, y'all. I dare not touch this car. But this is a Dirty Max that Mr. Blake said, watch how I do this here. Look at this here. You know I'm gonna poke my head in because the doors is open.